Let's make some thoran greeting cards for Diwali with paper quilling. Hello there, this is Agnes from Agnes Paper and Craft. For this particular design, it is good to take a 5 mm strip. I usually use 3 mm strips for my cards, but in this case, because we want to cut the fringes, 5 mm would work well. I chose two colors, orange and yellow, the classic colors that is used for the torans or malas. And as always, I try to make my work efficient in all small ways possible. So what I do is take two strips of paper together and start cutting them into fringes. I have a fringing scissor, but that fringe won't suit for this project. So I take a small scissor and start cutting. Keep cutting the fringes at approximately the same width. Then I cut down the fringe strip at approximately 12 centimeters length. So now I got two strips to work at the same time. Time saving, right? I start to roll the strip with my slotted quilling tool. Make a tight coil, glue the end, and bring the fringes out starting from the outer layer of the coil towards the inside. This will make beautiful marigold flowers. I also make similar flower with orange strips and make plenty of the flowers in both these colors. Next, I take a blank white note card and with a ruler, I draw parallel lines with black pen, or you can just use a pencil. Do notice that one line is smaller than the other. Now place the flowers on these lines with alternating colors. Dab glue on the back side of the fringe flower, tap off excess glue and adhere them to the card. For the tip of the flower hangings, I use 10 mm wide white quilling paper strips. Cut fringes with scissors. Then I cut this fringed paper at 2.5 centimeters length. Now with my quilling slotted tool, I make a tapered coil. Glue the tip and make sure the shape looks fluffy. Now I take some glue and adhere it to the tip of the thoran. I also finish the remaining flowers on the other thoran and add a printed Happy Diwali sentiment to the card. So I guess this card making is interesting. What do you think? Will you try this for yourself? Do let me know in the comments.